Hi, it's Catherine Gordon here with my Carnivore Confessions. You may know that I went carnivore several years ago, and then I started experimenting with low-sugar fruits and non-starchy vegetables, and that didn't go very well. But 6 weeks ago, I cut out the non-starchy vegetables and the low-sugar fruits, and I feel much better. But I still have 3 carnivore confessions, because even though I don't eat plants, I'm not a perfect carnivore. Number 1. I don't eat plants, but I do have 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and a tablespoon of lemon juice every day, and I also still drink coffee. Now, the ACV in the lemon juice, I just find that when I drink that in the morning, I don't get hunger and cravings in the afternoon. But when I leave it out, I do get hunger and cravings. Now, it may be that down the road, I may try leaving them out again, but for now, although I don't eat plants, I do drink some ACV, a little bit of lemon juice, and I do drink coffee. Confession number 2. Yes, I eat meat pretty much every day. Now I know that that isn't nutritionally correct these days. However, the good news is, now that I don't eat plants, I consume less of everything else, including meat. Here's how it works. Back when I was eating a mixed diet, I was hungry all the time, and I had to have at least 3 meals a day. Over the course of those 3 meals, I would average out about 11 or 12 ounces of meat every day. Now that I'm not eating plants, I have cream, and I have cheese, and I have eggs, and I have some meat. But I only need to eat twice a day. So I'm eating about 6 ounces of meat every day. So even though I'm not eating plants, the fact that I'm going to a carnivore approach, I'm not hungry as often, so I actually end up eating less meat. And on top of that, what's even better, now that I feel better all the time and I get more pleasure out of the things I do, music, playing with my dogs, gardening, I don't seek out pleasure from food as much as I used to. So I'm much calmer, I don't need to shop as much, I don't need to consume as much. Oh, and I rarely need new clothes because I don't grow out of my clothes anymore. Sometimes I wear them out, but so I'm consuming less of everything because I'm not eating plants. So that's a real gift of the carnivore diet. Ooh, number 3. This is a fun one. No, carnivore did not return my hair to its natural, youthful color. As you can see, this is my natural color, and it is a really pretty kind of platinum gray. So no, my hair did not turn light brown again. But the good news is I'm very happy with the color of my hair. I don't feel the need to color it. I feel much more accepting of the way I look and the age I am and how I present myself. And I don't need to spend all that time in the chair at the beauty shop getting my hair colored. So it saves me time and it saves me money. So even though I didn't get the miracle of having my hair turn brown again, I'm very happy with the hair I have. Oh, and there's one more thing I have for you, which is a recipe. So confession number 4 is I did not make up this recipe myself. This recipe is from Laura Spath, and it's a wonderful recipe, and I'm going to link to it, and it's very quick, and it's a cheeseburger meatball, and so it's ground beef, and it's cheese, and it's some pork rinds, and some seasonings, and an egg, and my whole family just loved it. So I confess I did not make up this recipe by myself, but it's an excellent recipe and I'm going to share it with you. And oh, by the way, you can make a big batch and you can freeze most of it, so it's really easy to cook later on. So those are my carnivore confessions for the day. As always, I want you to be well and eat for yourself, eat the food that works for you, and come back for another video here on the Sugar Freedom channel. Bye-bye, everybody.